Hey guys, welcome to the next video in the beginner series. My name is Vamshi Prasad and let's get started. In this video, we'll be writing more code and understanding how to become better at Flutter. So you'll be learning three widgets in this video: row, column and container. Firstly, you'll learn about container. Now, to define what a container is. It can be defined as a wrapper to a chocolate or a box to a phone, a new phone. The container with no children try to be as big as possible, and containers with children size themselves to their children. Now let's see what a container is, right? I'm gonna remove this text. Now here I'm gonna make a container, and now what should happen is this text should disappear because this container right now doesn't have any children, right? Now I'm gonna put a child here and then that text here. Okay, let's say data. You see that? Even the font has changed a bit, if you can see that, right? Now in this container, let's see what it has, right? It has so many things like alignment, padding, color, decoration, height, width, so many things, margin, right? Now let's see what we can do here, right? Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove this child. I'm going to set the height of this to 100 and width of this to 100, and I'm going to set the color of this to colors.blue. See this? Now we have this container. It's nothing but a box, right? Now that is container actually. That itself is container. We'll go ahead now. These both widgets which I'm going to teach you now are called row and column. They are one of the most important things which you will use throughout any project. Now I'm going to copy this, or you can actually cut this. In the center, what I'm going to do, I'm going to make a column. Now what a column does is it arranges all its children in a vertical fashion. I'll show you how. Now let's say if I paste this container 2 times here with the comma, you can see this. Why you can't differentiate is because I have no padding on this. So I'm going to add some padding of 10. You can actually copy this line here. Or I can also add margin, same thing which is here of 10. Oops. Yeah, you can see this. Now you can actually go ahead and paste it like 5 to 6 times and it will repeat like that. Now I'm getting an overflow here because we have more than what is displayable, renderable over there. So I'm going to remove a bit. Now you can see this, right? Now you learned about column. It's nothing but it arranges all its children in a vertical fashion. Now the same thing, same syntax, I'll change this to a row in the same children. Now see what happens. It's horizontal, right? It's horizontal. So this is the difference between a column and a row. Now you learned about 3 widgets, right? I'll also show you, because in practical use you cannot have all this overflows when you actually develop an app. So what we do is we do a list view. What list view will do is it will add a scrollable ability. For example, I'm going to have the same things and you can see this. You can actually scroll through this now, right? Now if I make this list view direction, scroll direction as directions axis dot horizontal, I think. Yeah, axis dot horizontal. You can see this. You can actually scroll through it left and right. So this is actually more of a practical use. So what you can do is you can wrap this with another container, and you can add a height to this of, let's say, 200, It will limit itself. And the best thing about this is you can actually use a column to this itself, and whatever here you have here, you can copy and paste it here and you can remove this thing. And see, the magic in this is you can do a combination of many things, of many widgets. This is the magic of Flutter. It's so easy to code and it's so simple to code too. Well, that's it for this video. Until then, see you soon. Take care.